All right, so I just checked out the Soul Foe Eatery Soul Food truck. I ordered their salmon with the Cajun rub, macaroni and cheese, and candy yams. So let's test this first. Salmon is good. Nice and moist, not dried out at all. Let's check out the macaroni and cheese. Let's check out the candy yams. Candy yams are good. Let me try another section of the macaroni and cheese. Okay. Yeah, I wanted to try another section where there was a lot more cheese before I really talk about it. So yeah. Pretty good. And a nice warm dinner roll. Again, that was the Soul Foe Food Eatery food truck. Just randomly saw them and decided to stop. Like and subscribe, like and subscribe.